Hola mis hermanos y hermanas, te echo de menos. Bienvenido a otro video con el uno y solo el reactor bandido. Si tú eres nuevo aquí, bienvenido. Y si tú eres volviendo a suscribir, bienvenido otra vez. Espero todo es bien donde tú eres te mirando. Y hoy en día reacción es Skinny Flex con, as you can tell, I'm mad excited, Visto no Visto. Pero antes vamos, no olvides suscribir por más videos como este y jutar y comento. Sigue mis redes sociales en la descripción y disfruta el video. We look saying guys and welcome back to the video with the one and only Oren Kelly. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I do hope all is well wherever you guys are watching from. And in today's video, we have the one and only Skinny Flex con Visto no Visto. But before we get into it, don't forget to follow my social medias down in the description. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my daily videos, and don't forget to comment. I know you want to see me react to you, and so I can build a playlist. But without no further ado, I ain't gonna chat no more shit. We gonna get straight into it. Before the tune starts, already someone's been napped, someone's been kidnapped. It's mad already. I don't understand certain niggas, bro. Like, why are you smoking through a bally? Like, brother, I get that it looks cool for the video and shit, but I know niggas really that are out there smoking through a bally, bro. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, what's the bally supposed to be? Like a filter for the badness, like, of the smoke? Shouldn't it be smoking anyway? Yeah, that's a shisha pen or something, or a shisha pipe. I'm gonna try not to get lost on the trail of thought, but if you're following me, keep following me. Cuatro, cuatro.
Shorty back to the bone, she's sweet like Calypso. Sigo en el guero, sigo siendo el mismo. Entro y salgo, un visto no visto. Hablan de crrr, ¿dónde está tu pistol? She moving it back, back, girl, I'm robbing. Hit it one time, no time for the loving. She on my ding-a-ling, no you love it. No miento al mic, solo quiero más. Juega conmigo que...
No. Before we let him go into the verse, we gotta dissect the chorus. Shorty's bad to the bone, she's sweet like Calypso. Big up Calypso, you get me? Yeah, if you know, you know, man. Them drinks there, mad thing. Hablan de grrr, ¿dónde está tu pistol? Tienes una pistola. Perro, basta usarlo. And if you don't have your pistol, my dog, you fucked up anyway, so let's not start. Then, no miento al mic, solo quiero money. I mean, the nigga's not lying, bro. If we keep it 100, the nigga's not lying. Just to say as well, I used to not like it, but the English and the Spanish, like, combination, I can't lie, I fuck with it. Skinny done well on this one, but let's go back into it though.
I'm no time for the loving. She on my ding-a-ling, no you love it. No miento al mic, solo quiero más. Juega conmigo, game over, grrr. El enemigo nunca pisa mi zona. Sal City es la capital de la drum. Carrozo rapper trae la escoba. Ojos.
Bro, you see the entry? Already the entry is hot. What did I say to you? The start, when man's getting kidnapped, you already know the shit's gonna be flames. And the way he came in, I can't lie, I was praying that he came through. Because if he didn't come through, I would have just had to slowly just not really refer back to what I said at the start. But I'm glad he came through. And I can't lie, I like the conversion between the movie and the music, like, put together. Do you get me? Like, he's actually made the movie rather than a song. Do you get me? Like a short movie, short clip, whatever you want to call it. But this is hard. I'm not gonna cap.
Solo quiero más. Juega conmigo, game over. Grrr. El enemigo nunca pisa mi zona. Sal City es la capital de la drum. Carrozo rapper trae la escoba. Ojos abiertos, aquí no se soba.
Don't let that fly over your head, please. Don't let that fly over your head. I had to pause it as soon as I heard it. Please, don't let it fly.
Pisa mi zona, Sal City es la capital de la drum. Carrozo rapper trae la escoba. Ojos abiertos, aquí no se soba. Esto tu puta de Fashion Nova. Le doy la D como si fuera coba. Hijo de puta, estoy en tu blog, bro. Dime.
Yo, it's too early for this, bro. It's too fucking early for this. Guys, just hide your bitches, please. Because this is the shit that happens when you don't. Do you understand? I ain't gonna cap. I fuck with him. He's talking his shit. He's letting niggas know, bro, this shit ain't a fucking joke. Don't play with me. You understand? But I'ma say this. Boy, if that's your bitch he's talking about, my nigga, I feel sorry for you still. I'ma just keep it 100.
Como si fuera coba, hijo de puta, estoy en tu blog, bro. Dime qué haces si entro con la fofo. Toco pena, puyacho, dodo, wow, wow. Pongo a correr a tu bro, bro. Nike, I'm flying, I'm high, so high I can touch the sky. Ojo blanco cuando.
You see, I just like the way he comes in, like, with the English bars, and he switches it up. I used to hate that shit. I was just a person who just stick to one thing. But I can't lie. Fluency, flexibility, fluctuality, even though it's not a fucking word. You get the point.
So high I can touch the sky. Ojo blanco cuando la pongo en 4 me dice que pare ya. El rap en España es una basura, pero.
Otra vez. Si eso de tu puta me da pena para ti. ¿Entiende? Bro, it's not a fucking joke out here, my nigga. It's not a joke out here.
Ojo blanco cuando la pongo en 4 me dice que pare ya. El rap en España es una basura, pero lo vinimos a cambiar.
Ay, yo, please, let. Not only did my man say, bro, I got your bitch on all fours. Yeah? For those that don't understand. Man demonstrated it. And not only did he demonstrate it like how he's supposed to, he demonstrated it with enthusiasm. Like, he overly demonstrated it. Like, look, for someone, this is your bitch, look.
I can touch the sky. Ojo blanco cuando la pongo.
Look at his eyes. Hey, yo, I can't with his brother. And then continue watching. Look. Hey, for somebody that's your bitch still, I think you need to go and get her. Fucking hell, boy. Yeah, that's hard still. You see, look, because I can't lie, that's a big statement still. But if you don't believe it, then man know it. Because truth I can say, he could be. I don't think so personally. Actually, maybe. No, I agree with it, but not to the full extent. Let me put it that way.
Pero lo vinimos a cambiar. Hablan duro, pero en el cara a cara te juro que no hacen nada. Y no hacen nada, todo lo que hablan cap. Antes de la música yo ya hacía trap. Vendo, watch.
He's pissed off skinny, bro. Who's part skinny flex? Again, duele skinny. Not only is he dissing people's bitches, he's dissing the ops, bro. At this point, he's just dissing everyone. If we keep it 100, bro. Someone's pissed him off. Someone's hurting, bro. I don't know. Someone's gonna let man know, innit? Fucking hell. It's hard though, I can't lie. Hurt skinny is hard. I know most of you are gonna say, oh, we don't even sound hurt. When you really read between the lines and the emotions, bro, it's mad, fam. He sounds hurt. I got it. You know. Calypso.
Sigo en el guero, sigo siendo el mismo. Entro y salgo, un visto no visto. Hablan de ¿dónde está tu pistol?
¿Dónde está tu pistol?
Lo que dicen para mí solo ruido. No escucho sofá, solo hablan sin sentido. Tú eres un jockey todo el día dormido. Trabajo de noche, parezco un vampiro. No coopero con.
Yo. T-Buzz, con 2 barras. Escucha, tú eres un yonki todo el día dormido. ¿Quién de verdad es enfadado? Niños, no tome drogas porque todo el día dormirás. But you gotta love him, man. He's skinny. What can you expect? This is the type of shit he's on, you get me? It's hard though, I fuck with it. Trabajo de noche y parezco un vampiro. Si tu cara parezca un vampiro, no te preocupes de Halloween. ¿Por qué? Tu cara es el Halloween. It's not a joke out here, bro. Certain people be scaring niggas with their faces, bro. When it's not a joke out here. No. Don't take it too personally. I'm not even trying to violate. It was just a joke. You see that edit there? I just clocked. That edit is cold. Yo, don't let that fool you. Watch.
Lo que dicen para mí solo ruido. No escucho soft fake, solo hablan sin sentido. Tú eres un jockey todo el día dormido. Trabajo de noche, parezco un vampiro. No coopero con el enemigo. Tú cooperas con los Federico.
Yeah, that's hard there. Tu coopero con el enemigo. Tu cooperas con los Federico. You don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to say it properly. You don't know what I mean. Niggas know that's straight from the street Bible. You get me? Very few find the way. Path is narrow. But those that know the way, they know the truth and they follow it. Alright guys, I can't even take myself seriously, but you don't understand, man. When you follow the true way of life, you will find it.
No, tú cooperas con los Federico. Lo que digo primero lo aplico. No hablo de más, quiero hacerme rico. Mi hermano acumula condenas y ahora la jueza le pide 5. ¿De qué te sirve el antifaz si el chivato va a robar contigo, primo?
¿De qué te sirve el antifaz si el chivato va a robar contigo? That's a hard bar. I'm not even gonna cap. For those that don't quite understand, man is basically saying, what is the point of a mask, or what good is a mask when you're running with a snitch to rob you? Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense in the slightest way. Like, there's no point in the mask because the feds are still gonna know who it is. You get me? That was hard. The delivery was hard. What he said was hard. I'll fuck with it.
¿De qué te sirve el antifaz si el chivato va a robar contigo? Primo, lo que canto yo sí lo vivo. Ellos tiran pero siempre los esquivo. Si me pongo rápido me hago mío. No hay amigo, te he puesto pa' lo mío. Quiero una M como Big Mac. ¿Qué hablas de mi primo Din Mac?
Quiero una M como Big Mac. That's hard still. Millón. This nigga's got bars, I ain't gonna cap with you.
Esto pa' lo mío. Quiero una M como Big Mac. ¿Qué hablas de mi primo Din Mac? Somos guerreros como On Back. Estoy con el chino, misión All Black. Mi bro hace cash sin salir del Kelly. Otro hace un mes que no está en el blog. Por un chivato que cuenta peli. Si viera un club se quedaría en shock.
Por un chivato, sí, que cuenta peli. ¿Qué significa que cuenta peli en inglés? No entiendo.
Guerrero como On Back. Estoy con el chino, misión All Black. Mi bro hace cash sin salir del Kelly. Otro hace un mes que no está en el blog. Por un chivato que cuenta peli. Si viera un club se quedaría en shock. Soy la calipso, sigo en el guero, sigo siendo el mismo. Entro y salgo, un visto no visto. Hablan de ¿dónde está tu pistol?
No.
She moving it back, girl, I'm robbing. Hit it one time, no time for the loving. Show my tingaling, no you love it. No miento al mic, solo quiero money.
Solo quiero money. I can't lie, Skinny's hard, bro. His flow is different. You get me? He's not one of them brothers that sound the same. That dance was lit, I can't lie. That dance was lit. Bro, as you know, Skinny Flex always comes through. That video was lit, I ain't even gonna fucking lie to you. Man's got fucking yellow jackets that look like the fucking McDonald's sign itself. They might as well be McDonald's, bro, at this point. I can't lie, the little dance on the end was lit. As you lot know, the way Skinny came through with them bars. Bro, it's nothing but heat, it's nothing but flames, it's nothing but fuego, do you understand? I hope you lot enjoyed this video as much as I did. It's the one and only El Reactor Bandido. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my daily videos, and don't forget to comment so I know what you want to see me react to and so I can build a playlist. But without no further ado, I'ma catch you lot in the next video.